How do you install applications to your Android TV without using the downloader application? Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you something quite interesting. I want to show you 3 ways you can install Android TV apps or any app to your Android TV without having to use the downloader application. Now, I do a lot of videos using the downloader application, and I just thought, what if the downloader application has an issue, or what if some people don't love using the application? What can you do to install any kind of application without having to use the downloader application? And that's why I came up with this video idea, and I hope it helps you. I hope you find what you're looking for. And just as usual, if you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And if you want to support my channel after subscribing, you can send me a super chat. Also, you can send me a gift. I'll be grateful for any. Thank you so much in advance. So back to the video. What if you want to install applications without having to use Downloader? Downloader is one of the best applications on Android TV and Fire Stick. But what if you want to go ahead without using it? What if you want to ditch the Downloader? I'm going to be showing you 3 ways in which I do install applications to my Android TV without needing the Downloader application. So please follow attentively. I'm going to start with the least way and end with the most used way. So the first way that I install applications to my Android TV without using downloader is using my browser. Yes, since my TV is an Android TV, then it has Google services, and that's why I can use my browser to install any application. In this case, what do I have to do? I just go back to my browser and I can search for the application I want. Let's take for instance, I'm looking for the VLC player application. I can go over here and I just type in VLC on my browser. As you can see, I'm using my browser. I'm not using Play Store, neither am I using the download application. I'm just using any browser on my Android TV. This is going to work on your TV as long as it is an Android TV and you can use a browser. So go over to any browser. It can be a system browser, same as it can be your Google browser. I'm using the Google browser because it is my system browser. And as you can search, you are going to see results that are going to lead to the VLC application on the Google Play Store. This is on the Google Play Store on my web browser, and yes, since it is an Android TV, you can use the Google Play Store without having the Google Play Store application installed, and that's what you see me do here. I just go back to my browser and search for the application, and on my browser, I am going to get a result that is going to help me to install this application from the Google Play Store. And with this, I can search for any application on my Android TV and install as long as it is on the Google Play Store. This is my easiest and simplest method, and that's why I love it a lot. It's just by installing applications from Google Play Store using my browser. Now, your question must be, what if the application is not on Google Play Store? What if it's a third-party application that you want to sideload to your Android TV and the application is not on Google Play Store? This is what you can do in such cases, or this is what I do in such cases. The same thing, as I go back to my Google, but this time around, I'm going to search for a particular application. The application I'm searching for this time is no longer any application I want to install, is the APKTime application. Yes, you can install APKTime on your Android TV without using Play Store, neither without using Downloader. So I go over here and I search APKTime. As you can see the result on my page. Now come over to this second option that says Malavida. I don't know the meaning of that, but just go over to the option that says Malavida and click APKTime for Android free. Click on that option. Now you can see it's updated 27 August. This is like few days ago because I'm creating this video in September. Now once you click on this option, it's going to bring you here. Please follow this attentively. It's going to bring you to a page like this, and you are going to click on this APKTime APK. Click here, and it's going to bring you to the option where you can install the APK of this application. Now, in the previous option, I showed you an application that is on Google Play Store. In this option, I'm showing you how to install an APK that is not on Google Play Store, but still using my browser. You see, so I'm literally showing you two things in this procedure. So the same way I'm installing this APK is the same way you can install any other APK. But anyway, let's focus on this. I'm going to click on download, or the download option. You're going to say, do you want to download APKTime? I already have downloaded it, but for the sake of this video, I am pre-downloading it. So I'm going to click on download, and then it is downloaded, as you can see here. And I'm going to install the application to my Android TV. You see, I have installed an APK without using Google Play Store, neither have I used downloader. So if I return home, the APK has installed, and if I go over here, here's it over here. And APKTime is an application that has many other apps that you can install to your Android TV. As you can see here, you're going to see tons of categories of applications that you can install. Please, when you install the applications, I go over here, you can take out your time and look at all the categories. But I can just show you, for instance, if you come out to a category like players and browsers, you're going to see applications here that you can download. So what you have to do to install that from here is just to download. And that is how you can use the APK time to install application. And that is my second method. Now the last method in which I can come over to use or install application is still using Google. But in this same time, it's not installing an application, it's going over to a customized website or someone's website that has applications that you can install. Alright, so this is my last method. Now I just want to say there are other methods, but these are my three preferred methods. Now the method I want to use is going over to a website called Dr. Venture, and the website is Dr. So this is how you type it, please follow attentively. Is dr slash and the type venture. Now I'm going to say there are other websites in which you can install applications like this, but I just want to show this as an example. So it's drventure.com. So we type this drventure.com on your Android TV browser. Any browser is okay. This is going to work, and you don't need downloader. As you can see all through this video, I have not used downloader. So that's the website drventure.com. There are many other websites like this, but I'm just going to use this for now. And if you have any other website, you can always use website to install applications. So you can see I've go over here, and you have to go over to the website, just browse a little. This is a website created by a guy. Here's him, he's on YouTube, and I just want to give a shout out to him for creating this website. He has tons of applications that you can install to your Android TV or Fire Stick, and all you have to do is just to go over here and you're going to see all the applications that you can install. So as you go over here, please go over to the option that says app. Here's it at the top here, it says apps. So just go over to this category or option and click on it, and then it's going to bring you to all the apps on this website that you can install. Now I don't the coloring on the website might not be the best, but it still has what you can install. So as you can see here are categories that you can install. There is live streams, movie and TVs, browsers, ad blockers, VPN, Kodi, and so on. There are tons of different categories. Even below here, there are other categories. So you can install any app from this category. All you have to do is to go over to a category of applications that you want. Let's say for instance, you go over to media players as usual. You can go over here, you're going to see applications here. They can all download and install to your Android TV without any issues. And that is it. These are three ways you can install applications to your Android TV without using the downloader application. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.